All right, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew, and this is my channel. I just opened this channel new, and this channel is new. And on this channel, I'm going to be teaching you people how to make money online. These are things that I've done that have earned me money online, and I want to come on here and share them with you all so that we can all benefit. So all I want you to do for me right now is just please subscribe to this channel, because I have a lot of things I want to be sharing on this channel, and I'm sure it's going to benefit each and every one of you. So please subscribe. You can leave me a like on this video, and you can turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post awesome content or new videos, you'll be the first to watch it and have the first time as a advantage. So on to with that being said, let's go right into it. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about Cryptotab and how to make at least $10, $5, $10 daily on Cryptotab. So I know some of you must have come across Cryptotab, but on this video I'm going to be shedding more light on Cryptotab and how to make money with it. So on this video we're going to be talking about what is Cryptotab, how to register, how to earn on Cryptotab, the pro version versus the light version, how to boost your earnings, how to withdraw, is Cryptotab legit or scam. So first of all, let me just explain what Cryptotab is. If you're avid follower of cryptocurrency, then you must have at some point, come across or heard of Cryptotab browser. You've been like, yeah, you must have heard about it. The Cryptotab browser is like an internet browser that allows you to earn cryptocurrency by watching videos, visiting your favorite site, and chatting online. And you can as well be mining as well, just like you saw in my previous screen just now. That's my pro account. um it's like a normal browser, but with built-in mining function from which you can earn Bitcoin, and also a referral program that allows you earn by inviting your friends as well if you wish to invite, but you can still earn without inviting your friend. It's just like a normal browser, you understand? So you can use I use the browser instead of using Chrome. I use Cryptotab because that's the best for me, because as I'm browsing, I'm mining crypto as well. So let's go right into how to register. If you check in the description of this video, you're going to see my link. All you just have to do is go down there and click my link, and once you click the link, is going to bring you click on that. It's loading. It's going to bring you to an interface like that, looks like this. So you might want to read everything on it, go through it and see all they have to offer. um referral is not compulsory, you understand? It's not compulsory for you to earn or for you to withdraw, but referral makes you earn more, and you mine more daily. So once it brings you to this interface, you want to click get you want to click on download. Then it will bring you to a page like this, where you have the Cryptotab Lite and the Cryptotab Pro. Quickly, let me just talk about the Cryptotab Lite and the Pro. The Lite is a free version, of course, and they give you 1000 HS for mining. The speed is 1000 HS. It doesn't drain your battery, of course, and unlimited number of remote devices. That means you can log in one account on different phones. I've seen people who are using over 30-50 phones mining Bitcoin in their phones, with different phones, with just one account. That's one beautiful thing about Cryptotab. You can withdraw unlimited funds from your account anytime you want. So that's basically for Cryptotab Lite. It's free, you don't pay for it. But for the pro version, you don't have any ads, and your mining speed is higher. That means you mine more BTC per hour. So you have 1500 HS, and doesn't drain your battery as usual. Separate profile for multiple users. Secure connection to public with Wi-Fi. Maybe you are in a public place, you can connect to your Wi-Fi and keep mining. Unlimited funds withdrawal. Unlimited connected unlimited number of connected remote devices and all that. But the pro version costs you about 900 and something naira. I'll go right. Let's say, okay, you want to download. Say you don't have money but you want to mine. So let's say you want to mine, you go for the light version. So I'm going to click on that. I'm using an Android, so it's going to take me to the Play Store. If you're using iOS, you don't have the light version on the iOS. You only have it on the you only have the light version on Android. So it's going to take us here. As you can see, I already have the light version on my phone. So that's it. So you can go for the pro version. I think the pro, okay, yeah, the pro version is here, which is 960 naira. Because I'm in Nigeria, that's why it's showing in naira. I think it should be like $2-3 or thereabouts. And yeah, you can also use iPhone. I think an iPhone is about $3 or so for the pro version. So I already have the app on my phone. So I'm going to go right in and just open it. When you, after downloading, you open it, you accept the terms and condition. Then you want to click start browsing. It brings you to something like this. You might want to set it as your default browser, because the more you use it to browse to surf the internet, the more you're mining as well. You can set as default browser here, and that's it. Then next, you want to go to next. Then it brings you to an interface like this. Then you want to click continue to dashboard. Loading is gonna load. I think my internet is kind of slow today. I don't want this video to be too long. It's loading. While it's loading, guys, please just help me subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe. You absolutely don't need anything to subscribe. Just smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you like this video, leave me a like. If you don't like it, tell me what you don't like, and I promise to improve on it. And you can leave me a comment in the comment section and all. Now it's going to bring you back to this to a page that looks like this. You want to see sign up with Google. So you want to sign up with Google. You want to put in your you click on that, sign up with Google. You want to put in your email, use your email to register and all that. And once you've done that, you start mining at the rate of 1000 GHS, 1000 GHS. So that's on registration. What I want to talk about again is how to earn on Cryptotab. There are two ways to earn on Cryptotab, which is mining and referral. By mining, the Cryptotab browser has a built-in mining algorithm that allows users to earn bitcoins when web surfing, watching videos, you know. On the Crypto Lite, you have to activate it every 1 hour. As you can see, As you can see here, you have a countdown that is counting down. After it counts down, for the pro version is 3 hours, for the light version is 2 hours. You have to click it and to continue mining. This is what I've mined so far. This is what I've mined so far, and as you can see, and trust me, it's legit. And withdrawal is there. Then through referral, you can give it to your friends to help you to join the platform, and you earn a percentage of whatever they mine. That will boost your earning capacity or earning speed. They have up to 10 level earnings pyramid, which means that the more people you refer, the more people you have, the higher commission you get. But it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory, but it's just that it gives you higher um higher chances of making more money. So you just download the Cryptotab browser from the website, install on whatever device you're using, start, launch the browser, set up an account on the browser, activate the mining. So how to you can also boost you can also boost your earning speed. As you can see, this is the pro version. You can see it's mining at about 1500 shares. You can come here, you can come right here and click on it and boost your mining speed. For this is 1 month. For 1 month you have times 2, so times two of 1500 is 3000, times 5 is about 7000, and times 10 is about 15,000. You see the equivalent amount right there for the boosting. So you can as well do that, and everything is going to speed up your it's going to speed up your mining rates. So let's talk about withdrawal. I've had a couple of withdrawals from this account. I'm going to leave that at the end of this video. As you can see, guys, I have referred over 147 persons, but I didn't refer these 147 persons directly. I only referred about 24 people here, and those 24 people went ahead and recruited 47. Those 47 people recruit 30. Those 30 people recruit 17. 23 people recruited 6 people, and it keeps going on to the 10th generation, and I'm getting a percentage of whatsoever these people mine. From you scroll down, you see your referral link. You want to copy that and share it to your friends or anywhere. You can go on Facebook, join crypto groups on Facebook, post your links there. I think that was where I started from. You can go on Quora, answer questions on there, and you can give your friends around you and just remind them to be mining. And let me say this, on the pro version, the pro version for Nigeria is about 9,005. It's about 958 naira. But if you don't have enough or you don't know how to buy it, I can give you for a cheaper price. All you just have to do is I'm going to leave my email address on the description box below. So just write me an email and tell me you want the pro version for a lesser price, because the pro version is going to allow you earn faster. You're going to earn BTC faster. As you can see how much I've earned already within I think a couple of days. So you might want to do the same. So just send me a message on my email and I will send it to you for a cheaper price. So for withdrawal, you want to click on here, withdraw BTC. So when you click on there, it's going to bring you to another interface. And in case you don't have a wallet yet, you can create a wallet with Binance. So I'm going to leave my Binance link on the description below. Just click on it and it will take you to create your own Binance. And from your Binance, you can copy your BTC address. You can copy your BTC address and and come and paste it here for your withdrawal. And there's the withdrawal normally takes 5 days, yeah, 5 days to confirm. But on pro version the withdrawal is faster. I think it comes between 2 days, but on the light version is about 5 days or thereabouts. So you want to come here and you want to withdraw, put in your, you can see that's my BTC address. That's the amount I can withdraw right now. I have over 3 phones I'm using, and on those 3 phones, including my laptop, I'm using it to mine BTC. So on this video, I'm going to on this video I'm going to after this video I'm going to add I'm going to show you all the withdrawals I've had on my main account. I have a main account I use, another main account I use. So I'm going to show you the withdrawals I've done already on that account. So with that being said, let's go back to our lesson. So I've told you how to withdraw, how to boost your earnings, the pro versus the live version, how to earn on Cryptotab and all that, and how to register. And you might want to ask, is Cryptotab legit or scam? As far as I know, as far as I can tell, the Cryptotab is very legit business. However, it might not be very profitable for some people as it's very slow, maybe because you're using the light version, or maybe you're not boosting your but at least you're mining BTC for free. I'm sure that is something you want to do. This might not give you all the money in the world, or the big money in the world, or the money. This might give you money for data, for food, for 1 or 2 things. If you want to make the real money, I advise you going into affiliate marketing. And trust me, I have a whole lot I'm going to be teaching on this channel about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, you name it, making money online. That's what I do from the comfort of my home. So on that being said, I think that's it for this video. And please, I'm begging, just help me, do your boy a favor, leave me a like on this video, comment on this video, and if you so love me so much, just subscribe to my channel. I have a whole lot more coming as well. Until my next video, stay safe and see you next. Okay guys, like I said, I was going to show you my payment history of the withdrawals I've made so far. So actually sent this to someone. Just gonna click the payment history, and you can see all the withdrawals I've made so far over the past months. For you to mine faster, you need the pro version. If you need the pro version at a cheaper rate, just let me know in the comment section below, or leave me send me a message on my Gmail, and I'll give it to you at a cheaper rate.